Good morning. I am Abhijit Dundavkar, faculty in Information Technology Department. Today we are going to study practical of optical fiber communication. Aim of the experiment is measure a numerical aperture of a given fiber. I will explain you what is the setup. In our setup, we have power supply. From there, we are going to give plus minus 5 volts. Then we have an analog transmitter where we have connected SFH 756 LED. Then we have 1 meter fiber which I have connected already to this scale and fixed at 1 centimeter at a distance. Then we have graph paper over which I have written something that I will going to explain. Now the basic focus on the apparatus. In this apparatus we are connecting our fiber to the LED and we are going to plug in away, applying voltage so that light is get generated from this LED and is being transmitted through this 1 meter fiber, and it is available, and if you able to see, it is coming from out of the tip of it. Now the concept is that we are generating structure or this kind of pattern where my fiber end is reflecting away or transmitting the light in the conical fashion. So it makes some distance. If I put similar kind of shape on my plain paper or on this graph paper, since I am using graph paper for the purpose that I will going to get the lines over it which is having a 1 millimeter apart from each other. So I will able to get a scale over this plain paper, and if you see, my pattern is get generated on the paper. Now if I turn on lights, turn off the lights, pause here. Now you can see the pattern is generated as a vertical cone. The base of the cone is generating in a circular fashion shape here. If you see this circular fashion shape, and my tip of the fiber is on the top, so it is generating virtual kind of cone. Actually, when light is being injected from this LED, it is being injected in similar fashion. The light which is injected within this acceptance cones will only able to propagate through fiber and coming out of the second side. So idea here is that to measure the distance from tip of fiber to the surface of the plane and the radius of the cone, which is base of the cone. So what I will going to do, I will going to put this on the surface of this paper in a 1 centimeter above, and using pencil I will just mark it out down the points where I am able to draw a circle. And now I have drawn a circle, and from this I am calculating away its radius. Now if I see, this diameter is about 1 centimeter, that is 10 millimeter, that is radius for this is 5 millimeter, and I have kept this above 1 centimeter, that is 10 millimeter. So my D is 10 centimeter, my radius is 5 centimeter. So for D equal to 10 millimeter, R is equal to 5 millimeter. If I put this in a formula of calculation of numerical aperture, I can use Pythagoras theorem, where if I want to calculate the angle, I can measure this front side divided by hypotenuse, that is R by H, and if I write H in terms of R and D, it will be H will be root R square plus D. And same thing I am using here by putting value of R as 5 millimeter and R square plus D square, 5 square plus 10 square. This after solving using calculator, I am going to get that value as 0.44. Now for this fiber, my Na is 0.44. If I take a sine inverse of this 0.44, I am going to get this angle with respect to the center point of fiber, that is 5/2 angle, which comes up to 26.56 degree. Stop. Conclusion of this experiment is that we can see the pattern of fiber and we can calculate angle using simple trigonometric formula, that is sin theta is equal to r divided by root r square plus d square, and we come to know that the Na for given fiber is 0.44. Thank you.